Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning text effect in a Canva. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my channel, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on this small bell icon. And now I will show you how to create this text effect. First, I add a new page, set the background to black, and go into the applications and searching for the typecraft. Just open the application, type in my text. I would like to use it, searching for a nice font, what I like it. Now this boogie 123, this boogie, and change the color to red or whatever you need. So, and I'm modifying my my text as I need it. Like this, and add element to design. I just added this element to the design. I'm going to increase the size and set position to middle. And downloading this page, only this page number 3. I just downloading it, download, then changing the color to white, and update element, and also downloading again, only the page number 3, download. And now adding 2 pages, scrolling up to the uploads, upload files, uploading the 2 text. What I would like to edit now, filling the whole Canva with both. And going back to the elements, searching for a curve. Going to the graphics and now I'm choosing this one. I think I choose anyhow this to my design. Yeah, like to here, and just increase a bit. Yeah, like to... No, that's not the best. The thing is, I would like to hide this, or not easy sometimes to find the perfect size and position. I think now it will be better, or not even better. No, it's too big. Okay, just leave it the original one. Anyhow, you will see the technique what I'm use. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V to put it in the same, exactly the same position. And I'm looking for the draw, searching for the pencil, selecting the black, and the weight I just increased to 100, and depends what you want. If you would like to keep the red on top, I just have to delete the bottom part, and for the white one in this case I have to delete the top. Just increase a bit of size and just start to delete what I don't know. Opposite. I have to delete the bottom part. This text looks much better when the reddish text on the top. Maybe this part was too thin, so that's time to time it's very difficult, but we do not have to be 100% precise. So just going back to here to the, just try to delete this portion also. Yeah, okay, it's done, and I have to do the same with the white. But for a white we have to do it with the top. I'm just deleting the unwanted part. Okay, keep it like this, then I will finalizing the sensitive part in the end. Okay, just going to zoom it, scroll it to here. Okay, this one is hide it. Okay, check it what is left. Just very tiny small portion it here. If it's not working with the pencil, we still can use any other element, even with this same curve, like this. The important thing to have this hiding element with the same color as the background. Sorry. So I need to download the page number 4, number 5. So download page number 4. And then download page number 5. Download it. Then changing this black to a gradient like this, going back to the uploads, uploading this two tiny parts or half text. Okay, start with actually one of them, not important with which one, and remove background, and I have to add the second part, and also removing the background. And now you can see, if I increase the size, that a nice effect happened here. That here was not perfectly remove, I think, the curve, or yeah, but anyhow you can see how it works. have to create the two text with red and white one, adding the same element on a both position in both of the text, deleting the unwanted parts, downloading both, removing the background, and merge the two text on one picture or one page, then get a full text with 2 colors, but as even can be 3 colors or 5 colors, whatever you need. And you can do it the same like with vertically, horizontally, even from the corners to the other corners. That's only your imagination is the bar. So this video going to the end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.